Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the Aetna app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the app. Okay, so to fix it you have to follow these steps. So the first step is to open the app and see through the app. If it's not work for you, you have to clear the data of the app. So to do that, you will likely go at here and press it and here and click on this I button. After that, you have to scroll down and go through the storage button, and then you have to click on the clear data and clear the data and open it again. If it's work, it okay. Then if it's not work for you, you have to check for the update. So check for the update is very easy. You have to close it here and click on your Google, and you have to type for the app name. Okay, then at here I can see the app name. Then here we can see the app. So here I have to go and click on here and check for the update. So by this way you can just fix it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.